What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button 3. And make sure to hit the like button and make sure to comment down below if you like the Don't Press the Button, okay? Let's start.
Oh, he left, finally.
What is this? A building. What is that? Oh, there's an airplane and they're spawning bombs. Oh! It's not safe there. Me too. I died. Oh, we're just stuck on the platform. We can't see them. Yeah?
It should have a no one survives system thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we have to wait till the finish.
Tell me my pants got cocked on a kangaroo.
Don't eat it, don't eat it.
I'm gonna eat it.
Bruh.
Oh, was that a Bloxy Cola? Bloxy Cola is not hurt. Come on, Matthias. Let's do
It
it.
does not unless someone throws it at your face.
I think here is safe. There's a meteor shower.
Corner.
Let's see.
Go to the corner.
I
And look up until you see a meteor.
Uh-oh, I can see that they're very to the corner. They crashed to the corner too. Whoa! I'm staying under here.
No, look up until you see a meteor going down on you.
No. Okay,
You see it?
but the building downstairs is also safe. Safe there. What is this? I'm getting onto it. Let me see. Yeah. They're moving so slowly.
Oh, hey, look, it brought us to the 3 buttons.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, get out.
I just realized, why is it not going? Oh, wait.
Is that an ice spike? Ice spikes?
I spy with my little eye.
Ah! We stand too much to the corner. Wait. Huh, let's press the button. What's happening? Uh-oh! You controlling! Ah! You missed. Huh?
What's 5 plus 5?
5 plus 5? 10. 10. Do you think that was a good distraction for me? So easy. Nobody can distract me. Uh-oh. Watch out. There's a stone spikes. It's falling. There's ice spikes and also snow spikes too. Don't stand to the corner. Too much corner. Oh, you almost fell off the corner.
Wait, Alga.
What? Oh. Lasers. Watch out. What if I get on top of it? Hey you, over here. Hey over here. Hey over here. Hey over here. Don't. They're just shooting at you, Matthias. Oh, I'm very low health.
Alga.
What?
Did you know you don't have to click the button? You just walk through it like this.
Oh. You almost got distracted. Get over here. Get over here. Almost got. Come on. Ha! Gotcha. I won.
I randomly got thirsty after eating an ice cream cone. Wait,
Uh-oh.
over here.
It's easy. I know, okay?
Yeah, but you were just about to go over there.
Let me think.
No.
Oh, you died. Did you just die?
Yeah.
I died too. Now we're on the platform. Look, it's like the water is rising up. I think. Well, at least he cannot reach us. Oh. But just watch out, tsunami! Watch out! Run! Matthias, run! Tsunami! Tsunami, get up! Get up quickly, get up, get up, get up, get up! No! Quickly, quickly! Oh, you almost died! You almost died! Oh, I was so scared.
Bro, all I just want to do is grab a cup of water.
Yeah.
Look, walk through it like that.
Watch out! A boulder is coming!
Why is it
Let me go right through it.
blue stuff on the ground? I have 3,000 coins. What can I buy?
Tsunami again! Get up! Oh no, no! Get up here quickly! Quickly! Yes. Let me go to shop and see what can I buy. Speed coil? 20,000 points? 30,000 points? 50,000 points.
Come down. I'm gonna show you.
I think it's a
something.
microwave or something.
Look, I'm gonna look up and then I'll walk through.
Oh, you died. Tornado almost sucked me in. They're going far away. Matthias, they're going far away. They cannot catch me. And how are they floating there? Uh-oh, one tornado's coming back in. Don't chase.
You guys floating is because it's made out of wood.
It wasn't supposed to be. It wasn't supposed to be far away. Oh, meteor shower! It's meteor shower! Stay in the corner. It will probably help. This space is cool. Oh, ouch, 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 I got damage, I got damage, I got damage. Ouch, I got damage again. Let's just press. Again. You gotta die one more time. Get over here. I will. Get over here. You got a little damage.
Just walk through it out.
I don't know why they are choosing me. I wanted to choose Matthias. I just give you damage. Get over here. I'm staying away from you. Oh, what is this?
I am a mad scientist, Goro.
Oh.
And my goal is to change the old world order. Mwahahaha. Okay?
That's a little creepy.
What's your name? It's Mr. Scientist Goro. I think.
What's happening? Oh,
It's the thing.
oh, it has coins in there. Coins up in here. Open it. Oh, I'm collecting them all. Give me the coin. Give me the coin. Give me. Ah, I just collect one coin. Matthias, I just collect one coin. Press the button again. Well, what is it? Ah, ow. Take for cover. The towers are falling. I think it's a tower that is very tall that is about to fall. Oh, don't touch it.
You give me damage.
Uh oh, not again. I can look up, Matthias, look up so we can see the spikes. Oh!
There's no spikes in the button.
Yeah.
Stay over here. The spikes can't reach you.
Ah.
Go.
Oh, a new player! Oh, no! Your friend died. Matthias, there's a new player.
Yeah, I know. He has a new avatar. He's cool. That means he's cool.
Yeah, but his skin is like noob. Right? Oh,
No,
yes.
this is mine.
Jackpot. This is mine. Go get the other. No, that's mine, Matthias. Go get the other. Matthias, get the other now. Come on.
Let's go gameplay. Oh, dang it. Mama, dang it.
Ah, come on, dang it. Come on.
Bruh.
No! I was so close. One more.
Yawn.
Come on.
What?
What? Again? Quickly, one last. Give me the coins. Never mind.
No.
I want to do some more time. Oh, a windmill. Stand right there, okay? Don't go on. Don't go on to it. Oh. Press the button. Uh-oh. Noob is controlling it. Watch out. You think you're smart, noob? You just touched it, but you did not. Watch out! You think that was a smart noob? He's actually moving slowly. Let's press the button. Ah! Lasers! Don't catch me. Catch them. No, don't catch me. I'll be safe here. Matthias, run! Uh-oh. Hey, you. Noob. Get out of there. Now. Get out. Oh, you almost died. Oh, explosions. Oh, I died. The noob died too.
I remember you started chatting to me in like some kind of volcano island thing. No, like in that. Yeah, like a game called Stand.
I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways, press the button. Uh-oh. Black hole! Behind us! Don't touch the cars or vending machine. You'll die. We have to avoid them. Oh, the car is like too high. Don't touch them. Don't touch the small pieces. It can give you damage. While the car and vending machine kills you. Wait, let me see. Which is the important strength or engine? That's the question. Or intensely. Oh, boulder again. Watch out. Oh, the noob died. No, come back. He's gone. He's dead.
30,000 320 coins. How much do you have?
3,091 coins. 91,000 coins. You died again. Hey, Matthias, there's actually a new player. It's Bacon. Uh-oh. Matthias, look. Watch out. Boom. Oh, what? It just killed Bacon and you. Hey, player, don't press the button. Don't you dare. Oh, a vending machine. I'm choosing the middle one. Hey, you player, get out of here. Get out of here, player. Hey. Hey, player, get out of here. Ah, there's only three of them. I wish there was more.
Yeah.
Come on.
I was at watermelon, and then the 7 just beat me up.
Yeah, come on.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, yes. Coins, give me coins. I won, Matthias, I won. I got 777.
Okay.
Isn't it incredible? I got many coins. I finally won. Now we have to avoid the meteor shower. Oh. Maybe they think, it's a boring game. I don't want to play this game. I want to go to another game. That's fun. They think. Can't you believe that I just won? This is the first time that I won. Remember that thing that I just got money? I won. Yeah. Oh, look, a new player. Hey, get out the balloon. Oh, the player reached in time. We're flying.
Wait, there's a trap door.
We're flying up. Yeah. Let's go down. I can see that what they're doing. There's a PC. Look, a new player. A girl.
Why is there a girl?
I don't know. Matthias.
Her face is so ugly. I don't know why. But like, you gotta look at her face.
What? Let me see.
It showed like a man's face when it looked like it was a girl.
I cannot see it. Where is she? Let me check on her.
Why is her name Makabaka?
I don't know. That sounds like a... Well, let me see.
Wait, no, Aga, it's this one. Go in here.
Yeah.
No.
It's okay. It's safe, okay? What is she doing? Eating the spicy?
I don't like her face.
Stand. Hey, girl. Stand still so I can see your face. She looks kind of cute. But when I check on leaderboard, but when I check on her leaderboard, she looks like a boy. Oh, she has a mask on.
Makabaka. I don't like her name, Makabaka.
Oh, no, I died.
Who names themselves Makabaka?
That's a weird name.
Yeah, who names herself Makabaka? The woman called herself Makabaka.
That's weird name. Makabaka. Oh, it's a bomb button. It explode me and the girl. Press the button. Uh-oh, tornado! They're going away. Okay, we're safe. They cannot reach us. They're going far away. Is she drinking the spicy? Uh-oh. It's sucking the building again. Well, at least we weren't in the building, or else we would get sucked in. The tornado is coming in.
Wait, Aga, so you know how you called Makabaka Aga cute?
I don't know. Ooh, I've seen this before. What of the scary?
Oh, it's this one. Aga, remember last video you wanted this one? You wanted this thing?
Don't tell anything that we made that before, okay? Don't tell anyone.
We've been making videos of this thing.
Anyways, which level are we going? Let's go to.
No. 3.
Okay.
3.
3. Activate.
Close.
Door closed. Activate. Hey player, close the door.
Aga, go to the other.
Yeah, we don't want to be.
This guy.
This guy, stop following us. Quick. Number 3. Player, what is wrong with you? Stop following us. Quickly, Matthias, quickly. Quick, close the door. Close. Finally.
Finally. 3. No.
Bro, stop doing this, player. Stop. What is wrong with you? Nobody likes you, player. Hey, stop following you. But, player, if you follow us one more time, I'm going to ban you. Yes, go down. Quickly, go down.
Fine. Because of this stupid little player.
Ban him. He left the game. Finally. I never want to see that player again. He's here. Matthias.
Oh.
Matthias.
Yeah.
Shall we ban him?
We have to land him. What do you mean, ban?
Ban him because he was annoying to us. Come on.
You guys moving my machine.
Come on. Oh, one more. Come on. Oh. Player, it's your fault that you didn't make us go in the elevator. Ooh, elevator again. Don't let him follow us, okay?
Oh, he's going by himself.
Yeah, quickly open the door. Quickly. Let's go to the door number 1. It's the same floor as here. Trust me. I said door number 1.
Yeah,
Close. Stand still, Matthias. Stop moving. Finally, go down. Activate it. Oh, a noob. Don't touch them. They can kill you. Hey, player.
I died. Please.
Let me get out of here. Let me get out of here. Open the door.
I live with my dad and I just want to help her out. Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of home.
Matthias.
What?
Come on, go. Let's go into the elevator one more time.
Okay, hold on. Wait for me.
Hurry up. The time is almost running out.
No, I'm already in it.
We won't reach your time.
Aga, I've been telling you, I've been in the room.
You were too late.
Right there.
What is this? A vending machine. Cool. I just drink. Oh. Don't touch them. Matthias, don't even touch that thing.
No, give me that.
Give it.
It killed me when I grabbed and when I touched it.
Me too.
With my little.
Oh, look. Oh, tap it quick. Go. Faster. Quickly. Oh, yes, coins. Give me coins.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, my old skin from. Wait, what?
Disconnected. Hold on, I'm joining back. I got disconnected.
Matthias?
Huh?
I I got my skin, but it looks the old, like from the 27th January of 2025. The same one in the vacation story. Listen, my skin was like old from. Yeah, I know. I know. Like from the 27th January of 2025. Yeah, from that skin that we made a vacation story with me and Selena. Oh, let's get up here. Hey player, I hope you die because you are annoying us. The player.
That's actually kind of rude. That's actually kind of rude. That's crazy. It's just.
Are you coming?
Kind of rude. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm here.
Ah, you took a long time. Oh, Boulder! Get out, Matthias! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh, that little girl just died. She's dead. Why does she have to call that name? Oh! It's him! It's him! It's him! Oh! He's angry because we were bullying him. I'm staying up here. Alright, I'm staying up here. Matthias, go up here. Wait, he doesn't have his hammer. You died. Yay, the killer is gone. Yeah.
Oh, this one is.
Quickly before he comes back.
No, he's coming. He's coming. Don't even.
Player, don't even annoying us. Matthias.
He's coming. Look at the other one.
Let's go. To the floor 2. Floor 2. Number 2.
No.
No.
One. It has to be one.
No, number 2. Number 2.
What? 2 is nothing. This is the thing. 2 is the thing. This.
Oh.
See?
Oh,
2, 1.
fine. And we're gonna try it number 3. Wait, no, that's the exit. Yeah, I forgot. I think I have to stay away. Close it.
Will you please close?
Come on. No!
Oh,
Stand still.
stop.
Close. Finally. Oh no, not this place.
Again.
Yeah. I died.
I haven't died yet. Come down again.
Uh-oh, I put those noobs up.
The noob entered the elevator.
Uh-oh, my bad.
Okay, come over here. The noob entered the elevator. Look. No, Aga, look.
Yeah, I saw that. Get out of there, Matthias, get out. Oh, we died. Oof.
Go push the ball thingy again.
Oh, that girl player just left the game. Let's go into the button, Matthias. Don't fall, okay? Let's just get away from that player. Let's go.
Correct.
It's fun right up here. But it's a little boring to me when we're just flying around, nothing special.
The guy left.
Yeah, he's not moving. Uh-oh. Oh, I hope he get crushed by tsunami. Yeah, I hope he died. Get up quickly. Oh no, the player is coming up. He's coming up. No, player, you just died. Die. Come on, tsunami, get him. No.
Somebody that they didn't do.
Yeah,
He's just probably new. Oh, it's the vending machine.
don't touch them.
Careful.
I want some vending machine. Ah! That's what you get for being annoying us. Remember?
This is cool.
It's a trap. Yeah.
Wait for me.
That's what you get. That's what you get for pressing the button. Earlier, we found my friends is here.
You're like,
Alright, let's. I have to survive the tornadoes. Watch out! Don't worry, they cannot catch me. They have no chance. They're just a stupid tornado. Yeah. Again.
Wait, what happens if I drink wolf?
Whoa, you're spinning around. There's a weird sound.
The noob left.
Yeah, Frank left after he's being annoying us.
Hello.
You're spinning around. Floor number 1.
Don't move.
Yep, close, activated. Yep. Oh no.
What's it? Oh,
I'm leaving.
look away, Aga. No, Aga, don't look away.
I'm leaving.
It's when you look away, Aga, look away.
I don't want to look away. I don't want him to move to get closer to me and jump scare me.
No, he's gonna go to me.
I look away. Right? Nothing's happening.
Okay?
I'm leaving.
Zoom in.
I'm going back up.
Don't leave me here.
I'm going back up. I'm scared.
He's not even doing anything.
Yeah, he's just standing there still.
I fell.
Yeah.
Wait for me. Don't
I'm waiting for you. I'm not pressing that button. Uh-oh. Not again. Get away from the plates. Matthias, go to the corner. It's safe. A guitar like I have it be crushed by speed wall. What?
listen to this.
Very funny. We can sing. You can use that forever. Uh-oh. Take your cover. 4,000. Yeah. Is there something I can buy? I have enough, but I cannot buy, but I can buy the hot sauce. Oh yeah, hot sauce. I want to drink. Uh-oh, I'm on fire. Matthias, I'm on fire.
Oh, this one's mine.
This was mine. I'm choosing in the middle.
I'm spinning.
Come on. Ah.
I have to zoom out. So you start spinning.
Come on.
Whoa! I started flying. Wait, Aga, look at this.
Yeah.
Wait, I just started flying.
Let me drink. I cannot drink. Come on.
Mom, give me something.
Oh, no, come on. Come on, quickly before the timer runs out. Come on. Matthias, 5 more buttons, then we're done, okay?
Oh.
5 more buttons. Let's go to
No, I definitely got this.
the floor number 1 to see if he's moving. He's just standing there still, like a statue.
I didn't even drink it. Why did you kill me if I didn't even drink it?
Matthias, I'm not going to the elevator without you. Come on. I don't think you should be drinking it. Floor number 1. Activated. Stop moving around. I cannot go to the elevator. Reset. Wait, no, you don't have to reset. Don't drink it again.
Oh no, it's a new business.
Go up.
3,
Huh?
no, 2.
Doesn't do anything.
It says, bro.
Alright, let's just go back down again to see if there's a new one, okay? Wait, what? Go back to floor 1.
Wait, go back to 1. Wait, what?
Matthias, get out of the way! Move, 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 move!
What was that? It just wants you.
What is wrong with this stupid elevator? Get out, Matthias! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! No! No, my friend! I lost my friend. No.
Close on me.
I cannot spin around. Ooh, 5 of them.
That's a lot of coins. That's a lot of coins.
I'm gonna collect them first. Ah.
Wait, Aga, let me get the coins. Let me get some of the coins.
Never. You didn't share with me last time.
Man.
Oh, I collected most of the coins than you.
No, I did.
No, I did. Again. Not fair again. Go back to the floor 1. Matthias, 2 more buttons, then we are done.
I wonder what's new.
Matthias, 2 more buttons, then we are done, okay?
Okay.
You promise?
Yeah.
Floor number 1. Go.
Go.
No, don't press anything. I'm gonna press, okay?
Okay.
We have to press or else we're gonna be stuck in here forever. Alright, floor number 1, go. No, not again, go back up, up. Close the door, stand still. Stop moving.
I'm not even moving.
Let me close it. Close. Finally.
That's close.
Let's go back to the floor 1 again. Floor 1 again.
Wait, let's go to floor 1.
Stand still. Stop pressing. The number 3. Stop pressing it. Stand still. Floor 1 again. Stop pressing. Not again. Go back up. No, we won't reach it. Come on.
No.
Ah! No.
We died.
Yeah, again and again. That was the number 1.
Ball thingy. I want the ball where we had to click it. No, Aga. Ooh, trap door.
It's still the same.
Whoa.
I'm not spinning around. Why I'm not spinning around?
Is it because you're zoomed in?
Let me try again later.
I think it's because you're zoomed in.
Hammer! What the? I'm free.
Aga, don't press the button.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Wait, I have to drink the spicy. Wait. Oh. I cannot drink. You're fine.
Drink.
Oh, this again.
I think the spicy thing will help us do
Let me drink. It doesn't work. I cannot drink. Alright, let's try. I cannot spin around. What is wrong with me? Let me reset. Don't press the button. Don't press. Oh, 2 more buttons. That's it. Hey, you don't attack me! Attack Matthias! You're going him! Ah! Yeah, I did
Because of you, Aga.
it. boulder again. Watch out. Oh.
Remember when you threw a shoe across the room?
No.
Like, I remember when you were in school and then you threw a shoe.
What are you talking about?
Alright. No, you didn't. You threw a shoe at the teacher.
What?
You don't remember?
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Yes, you did. Don't forget.
Was it in our YouTube channel? How did you know? Anyways. Matthias, nice button, and that's it, okay? No, I don't want to make 1 hour video, remember?
It's been
Whoa.
45 minutes.
See, I told you. Vending machine.
Now that this doesn't count, this doesn't count, this doesn't count, it's boring. If it's fun, then yeah.
I want to drink. I'm not spinning around.
No!
Uh-oh. I'm not gonna die for this time. Ah! I was supposed to jump over, but he's just too tall. Last button. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. What? No, I don't want to get distracted. And stop it! You missed. Do you think that's a good distraction for me? I'm so good. Anyways, I died.
That's what you get.
Matthias, Matthias. One more button, then we're gonna stop video, okay? No, if you don't stop, then I have to stop the video earlier. I have enough of you. Take this. I cannot reach you. Come on. That's what you get. You thought it was a good distraction? Well, you got a little damage. I hope you gonna die in there.
I'm not.
You are going to.
Oh wait, Aga, it's this one. It's the one where you look away. It's this one. Look.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Yeah, I can see it. Floor number 1.
One. Wow.
Yeah, 1. Oh, here it is.
There's nothing over there.
Where is he? There he is! Ah! I'm getting out of here. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Actually, jump scared me.
Number 3. Get up. Run! He didn't chase me. I'm not going in there ever again. Do you want to? But that's what you get. You died.
You also died.
No, I didn't.
What?
Ha! I hope you died double times. Double dice.
Bubblegum. I can't drink it. No.
Last button. That's it.
No.
I don't want to make a long video. Remember, Matthias?
No, you can make one. That's only one map mission.
Matthias, my dad says I'm not allowed to make video that is 1 hour. I have to believe them. That's what you get. That's it for the video. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe right now. Oh, and also comment down below that if you like the Don't Press the Button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there are 10 of them. And one more thing, but this game isn't over yet, so this is to be continued again. Alright, bye. I'll see you next video. Bye.